for the Pentair. What happened is, since I installed it, it was acting funny. Over time, it stops actually generating chlorine. So, after numerous tries to fixing it, I finally got to the point where I had to replace it. So, this is a warning. You know, do not get these alternate replacements for the Pentair. They are cheaper, but you're going to pay for it in the end. So, what I ended up having to do is actually going out and getting another new Pentair system. So, what we'll do today is we'll unbox the new system and we'll uninstall this one. As you can see on this one, it actually says Pentair right on the front and on the side. So that's how you know you've got a true Pentair system. First, we have to depressurize the system. Make sure everything's off, so no filter pump is on. We're going to shut the filter pump off, and we're going to shut the power off. Alright, we're going to take apart the salt cell like we would if we were going to clean it and take it out. Now we'll put the new one back in. Okay, so up in the box, you've got this plug. There's a little twist on the bottom of it that you just turn that and you should be able to get it off. If you need a wrench or something, just feel free to use a small pliers or something to get that off. Which I need to go get. Like the last one, there are some notches in the electrical cord, so it actually will line up to fit in there. It is difficult to see, so it might take a few tries to get this right. Well, that was amazing. I got it done on the first try. I would never have thought. Last time, I remember spending quite a bit of time trying to get that on. You know, by the way, I'm not, here to advertise for Pentair. It's just that I have a Pentair system, so if you have a Pentair system, we've got the remote and the box and everything's for Pentair. And the alternate replacement unit just didn't cut the mustard when it comes to actually working with the system. So I just wouldn't trust it. That's just me, and that's my recommendation. Okay, moment of truth. We're going to turn the power back on and see if this thing works. Alright, well, we've got lights. We're going to have to wait for the flow to get going again, though, before we'll know if it actually works. It took a couple of minutes after the flow started going through the system, but as you can see now, we've got a nice green. Green is good for the cell. and good for the salt. So it looks like I'm good to go. Alright, well, that was a pretty easy install. Sorry for the last video where I recommended a product that really wasn't worth what I spent on it. So again, I recommend the Pentair IChlor system. This is an IChlor 20 or IntelliChlor system. I'll provide an update as we go to let you know that it actually is working and holding up to what we expect.